Welcome to Carperformance.se. Gonna do a short demonstration for our unlimited CarPlay. We are running it in a 2020 GMC Sierra, so it will work with all the GM cars on GMC that has the new system. This system where you have the icons down here that has the Apple CarPlay. So basically from 2019 and up. So here is our system. It's a box, 12-volt connector and the USB. So just plug that in to the car USB port. Show you like that. And we have that connected. I'm gonna wait for the system to boot up. You just see that CarPlay goes green. Takes about 45 seconds. And now we have it booted up. So it's a standalone Android system. So it's basically like any smartphone. You can download any apps that you want from the Play Store. You can see it, we already have some preloaded apps, Netflix, YouTube. Everything works even while the car is in motion. Not that we recommend it, but it still works. You got the Play Store here. You can download all the apps that you want and need. And we're gonna see here like YouTube. We have connected our unlimited box to a Wi-Fi connection. So let's see if we can just go here and press that Mercedes video. And the sound will also go out in the car speaker system, of course.
You can instantly hear it, guys. It's full finished in plastic. This is a monster. In my opinion, the most beautiful steering wheel that AMG has created. Start it up. Let's go.
And you can have any apps that you like. Got Netflix. So it's a standalone Android system, so it's basically like any other iPhone or Android system. Just plug and play. Extreme. You also have the navigation, of course. So it's a perfect unit to have in your car. The Google browser. And there you have it. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, tag and follow. Thanks.